Transform your electrical maintenance routine with systematic inspections, testing, and servicing to ensure safety, efficiency, and reliability across all electrical systems and equipment. Monthly electrical maintenance involves routine inspection, testing, and servicing of electrical systems and equipment. This comprehensive process includes checking wiring, circuit breakers, outlets, lighting, and electrical panels for wear, damage, or faults. The maintenance also verifies proper functioning of safety devices like grounding systems and surge protectors. Regular maintenance prevents electrical failures, reduces energy costs, and ensures compliance with safety standards. Create access checklists. Use pre-designed electrical maintenance templates in eAuditor or create custom checklists to fit your specific requirements and facility needs. Gather tools and documents. Ensure access to essential tools like multimeters, insulation testers, and electrical diagrams for comprehensive inspections. Schedule inspections. Plan and schedule maintenance tasks systematically, assigning specific personnel and timeframes for optimal efficiency. Electrical panels. Check for loose connections, corrosion, or physical damage. Inspect for overheating signs like discoloration and unusual smells. Tighten all connections and terminals as necessary. Circuit breakers and fuses. Test circuit breaker functionality and inspect for blown fuses or wear. Verify that breaker loads do not exceed their rated capacity. Wiring and cabling. Look for frayed, exposed, or damaged wires. Verify secure wiring connections and inspect cable insulation for wear or cracking. Outlets, switches, and lighting. Test outlets for proper voltage and grounding. Check switches for functionality and secure mounting. Inspect lighting fixtures and replace burned out bulbs. Safety devices. Test RCDs and GFCI functionality. Inspect grounding systems for continuity. Verify proper safety device connections. Motors and equipment. Inspect motor windings and bearings. Test for unusual noise or vibration. Check for overheating or overloading. Backup generators. Test backup generators for proper operation, fuel levels, and automatic start functionality. Verify smooth operation and load capacity. Battery health. Verify battery health of backup systems, including UPS units. Check charge levels, connections, and replacement schedules. Power switchovers. Ensure proper switchovers between power sources work seamlessly during outages and emergency situations. Record findings. Use eAuditor to document inspection results, noting any faults, defects, or areas of concern with detailed descriptions. Attach media. Take photos or videos of specific issues for clarity and future reference. Creating a visual record of problems. Assign actions. Assign tasks to resolve identified problems using eAuditor's action assignment feature for accountability. Generate reports. Automatically generate detailed maintenance reports and share them with stakeholders for transparency.